Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're not receiving the SMS verification code for bunq, here's what to do. First, check your mobile signal. Weak signal can delay or block SMS messages. Move on to an area with a better reception. Then make sure your phone's number is entered correctly in your bunq account. Check if your phone has SMS blocking apps or spam filters that may be blocking the messages. Then restart your phone and request this code again. Next, ensure that your SMS card is active and able to receive messages. You can test this by asking someone to send you a normal SMS. If you're abroad, make sure roaming is enabled. If the code still does not arrive, contact bunq support for assistance. That's how to fix the bunq SMS code not received. Subscribe for more quick fixes.